Welcome back to Drinks Made Easy, because cocktails don't have to be difficult. A lot of you are probably familiar with watermelon and chili, but we're going to show you a better way to do a drunk watermelon and chili using añejo tequila. Now you might be saying, why using añejo? I mean, it's kind of more expensive. Well, not really. There's a lot of great añejo tequilas out there today that are not super spendy, and there's a lot more flavor there than in a blanco or in a vodka. So let's make some drunk watermelon chili bites. Before you cut your watermelon, be sure to pick a good one. A few quick tips. Find one that mostly has a gold or yellow cream to it. The longer it's been sitting on the ground, which will make it sweeter, the more gold and cream it will be. If it just has a little bit of white, that means it's pretty young. Also, the watermelon should always feel a bit heavy for its size. That's another indication that it's been given time to mature, which means a sweet watermelon. Let's get cutting.
Drinks Made Easy's Idiot's Guide to Cutting a Watermelon. Step 1. Find yourself an idiot. Step 2. Give that idiot a watermelon. Step 3. Give that idiot a knife. Step 4. Have the idiot cut the watermelon. Don't cut your fingers, just the watermelon. Congratulations! You might not be a total idiot after all. Be sure to cut the entire watermelon and remove the rind. It's the colorful stuff in the middle that you want. We call that watermelon.
Now that the watermelon is cut up, and Mike has proven for the most part that he's not an idiot, let's infuse this watermelon with some tequila. Now all you have to do is make sure there's enough to cover the watermelon, and you're only going to need to let it infuse for about half an hour. With something like watermelon that is really porous, it's going to take on the flavors of the alcohol very quickly. If you have something that's quite dense, the reverse is true, so use that to gauge how long you need to infuse your fruit with the alcohol. After you've strained and skewered it, just add the chili the way that you like, either whole, half, or just a touch.
Hey, Paul.
Yeah.
You mean more like just a tip?
That's what your mother likes to start with.
Shut up with the mom! Shut up!
And there you have the watermelon tequila chili bites. Because we only infuse it for about an hour, this has a really nice dance between the flavors of the watermelon, tequila, and the chili. It's fantastic. I mean, it's basically an edible cocktail. So try it out, let us know what you think. And yeah, if you don't like these, well then you clearly just don't like tequila and watermelon. I don't know what to tell you.
Hey, say something for me.